Welcome to a new video where we divulge the secrets of frugality. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that holds the key to financial freedom and peace of mind: frugal living. Now, you might be wondering, what does frugal living mean? It's not about pinching pennies or depriving yourself. It's about making the most of what you have, finding value in the things around you, and making smart decisions that lead to long-term financial well-being. Frugal living is about more than just saving money. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, a way of thinking that prioritizes value over consumption. It's about recognizing that every dollar spent is a dollar that could have been saved, invested, or used to create experiences and memories. It's about understanding that the things that truly enrich our lives often aren't things at all, but experiences, relationships, and the peace of mind that comes from financial security. In this video, we're going to share 20 important frugal living tips that can help you save money fast. We'll explore how to live below your means without feeling deprived, how to budget effectively, how to cut down on expenses without sacrificing quality of life, how to live sustainably to save money and the planet, how to shop smart, and how to embark on DIY projects that can save you money. We'll also delve into the world of investing and saving, showing you how to grow your wealth over time. These tips aren't just for those struggling to make ends meet. They're for anyone who wants to take control of their finances, build a secure future, and live a fulfilling life without being weighed down by financial stress. So whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting your financial journey, there's something in this video for you. So, are you ready to embrace the frugal lifestyle and take the first step towards financial freedom? Stay tuned to get started with these 20 important frugal living tips. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Firstly, understand the concept of living below your means. This principle forms the bedrock of frugal living. It's not about deprivation, rather, it's about making well-thought-out choices. It's about prioritizing needs over wants and understanding that the biggest luxuries in life are often free. Living below your means is the practice of spending less than you earn. It's not just about penny pinching or denying yourself of life's pleasures. It's about financial control, awareness, and intentional spending. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. So, how does this contribute to frugal living? Well, when you live below your means, you create a financial buffer. This buffer gives you the freedom to save, invest, and plan for the future. It allows you to weather life's financial storms without getting caught in the rain. Consider this: if you earn $100 and spend $95, you're living below your means. But if you earn $100 and spend $105, you're living beyond your means. The difference may seem small, but over time, it can lead to significant financial stress or even debt. Living below your means also frees you from the incessant need to keep up with the Joneses. It allows you to break free from the consumerist treadmill and find satisfaction in what you already have. It encourages mindfulness, gratitude, and contentment. The benefits of adopting this lifestyle are immense. Aside from the obvious financial advantages, living below your means can lead to a simpler, less stressful life. It can help you focus on what truly matters: your health, your relationships, your passions, and your peace of mind. So if you want to save money fast, start by understanding your income and expenses. Create a budget that suits your lifestyle and stick to it. Be mindful of your spending habits and make necessary adjustments, and most importantly, always strive to live below your means. Remember, it's not about earning more, it's about spending less. It's about making conscious decisions and taking control of your financial future. It's about prioritizing your financial health and well-being over temporary pleasures and instant gratification. Next, let's dive into the world of budgeting. Budgeting, my friends, is the backbone of frugal living and, dare I say, the secret sauce to accumulating wealth. It's like a roadmap guiding you to your financial destination. Without it, we could easily veer off course and find ourselves in the murky waters of debt and financial stress. So, how do we create a budget? Here's the trick. It's all about tracking your income and expenses. The first step is to understand your income. Whether it's a steady paycheck, a variable income, or a mix of both, it's important to have a clear picture of how much is coming in each month. Next, identify your expenses. Start with the fixed ones, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Then move on to variable expenses, such as food, clothing, and entertainment. Be sure to also account for occasional expenses like car repairs or annual memberships. Now here's where the magic happens. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. If the result is a positive number, congratulations. You're living within your means. If it's negative, don't despair. This is where budgeting truly shines, showing us where we need to adjust our spending or increase our income. Remember, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making informed decisions and prioritizing your spending to align with your goals. Want to go on a vacation, save for retirement, buy a new car? A budget can help you do all of that and more. And the most important part? Stick to your budget. It's like going to the gym. The hardest part is showing up. Once you're there, it becomes second nature. If you stumble, that's okay, just pick yourself up and get back on track. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. Our financial situation can change and our budget needs to reflect that. So set a date each month to sit down and review your budget. A well-planned budget is the first step towards financial freedom. Now, it's time to discuss cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Often, our financial drain isn't a gaping hole but a slow drip from several small leaks. These are those seemingly insignificant purchases that add up over time, silently eating away at our hard-earned money. Let's explore how to identify and cut down these unnecessary expenses. Firstly, let's talk about subscriptions. From magazines to music streaming, subscriptions can quickly pile up. It's time to review them. If you're not using a service frequently enough to justify the cost, it may be time to cut it loose. Next, dining out. While it's a lovely way to socialize and unwind, it can be a significant drain on your wallet. Consider cooking at home more often, and when you do dine out, take advantage of discounts and deals. Now, onto impulse purchases. They can feel satisfying in the moment, but they often lead to buyer's remorse later. To curb this, try the 30-day rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days. If you still want it after that time, go for it. Utilities are another area where small changes can lead to big savings. Simple habits like turning off lights, unplugging electronics, and using energy-efficient appliances can significantly reduce your monthly bills. Lastly, let's tackle grocery shopping. Plan meals ahead of time, stick to your list, and avoid shopping when you're hungry. These practices can help you avoid buying unnecessary items and ultimately save more. By identifying and cutting down on these unnecessary expenses, we can make a significant impact on our overall financial health. Remember, the goal isn't about depriving ourselves, but about making conscious decisions on where our money goes. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs, and prioritizing our spending accordingly. And remember, all these small savings add up over time. As Benjamin Franklin wisely said, "Beware of little expenses, a small leak will sink a great ship." So let's patch up those leaks and keep our financial ship afloat. Every penny saved is a penny earned. Moving on, let's explore the concept of sustainable living. You might be wondering, what does sustainability have to do with frugality? Quite a lot, actually. Both sustainable and frugal living hinge on the principle of consuming less and making the most of what we have. Sustainable living is a lifestyle that attempts to reduce an individual's or society's use of the Earth's natural resources. It encourages us to rely less on non-renewable resources, reducing our carbon footprint and conserving the environment. But what's the connection to frugality? Well, when we consume less, we also spend less. It's a win-win. So how do we live sustainably and save money? Let's delve into some tips. Firstly, consider reducing energy consumption in your home. This could be as simple as switching off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, or insulating your home to reduce heating costs. These small changes can significantly decrease your utility bills. Secondly, think about the way you travel. Using public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking are all great ways to save money while reducing your carbon footprint. Thirdly, we have the principle of reduce, reuse, recycle. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you really need it or if you could borrow, rent, or buy secondhand. And when you no longer need something, don't just throw it away. Sell it, donate it, or recycle it. Last but not least, sustainable eating. This could mean growing your own food, buying in bulk to reduce packaging, or choosing local, seasonal produce. Not only do these practices save money, but they also reduce waste and support local economies. So you see, sustainable living is not just about preserving the environment. It's about making smart choices that benefit both the planet and our pockets. Just remember, every small step towards sustainability is a step towards a healthier planet and a healthier bank account. Sustainable living is not just good for the environment, it's good for your wallet too. Up next, we have smart shopping. Smart shopping is a strategy that can significantly cut down your expenses. It's not about denying yourself the things you need, or even the things you want. It's about getting the best value for your money. By being a smart shopper, you can save a lot without sacrificing quality or satisfaction. A key aspect of smart shopping is using coupons. Now you might be thinking, coupons, really? But hear me out, coupons aren't just for penny pinchers. They're for anyone who wants to save money. With the rise of digital coupons, saving money has never been easier. Many stores offer their own apps with digital coupons, and there are also plenty of websites and apps that aggregate coupons from various sources. It's like having money-saving power right at your fingertips. Buying in bulk is another smart shopping strategy. Now, this doesn't mean you should buy a lifetime supply of toilet paper just because it's on sale. But for non-perishable items that you use regularly, buying in bulk can lead to big savings over time. Just make sure you have the storage space for it and that you'll actually use it all before it expires. Comparing prices is another crucial part of smart shopping. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's surprising how many people don't do it. With the internet, it's easier than ever to compare prices from different stores. Don't forget to factor in the cost of shipping if you're shopping online. And remember, the cheapest price isn't always the best deal. You also need to consider the quality of the product and the reputation of the store. In conclusion, smart shopping is all about being proactive and strategic. It's about making your money work harder for you. And the best part? It's something anyone can do. You don't need any special skills or knowledge. All you need is a little bit of time and effort. And the savings? They're definitely worth it. Smart shopping can significantly cut down your expenses. Let's now delve into the world of DIY projects. There's an incredible sense of accomplishment that comes with creating something with your own two hands. Not only is it fulfilling, but it can also save you a pretty penny. Think about the things you use daily. Is there something you could make instead of purchase? For example, consider the humble cleaning solution. It's a household necessity, but it doesn't need to be store-bought. With a few ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, you can whip up your own all-purpose cleaner. The cost? A fraction of what you'd pay for a commercial version. Or maybe you're a coffee connoisseur. Instead of shelling out $4 for a latte every morning, why not invest in a good coffee maker and brew your own? You'd be surprised at how quickly the savings add up. And it doesn't stop at your morning cup of joe. From homemade candles to handcrafted furniture, the possibilities for DIY projects are endless. It's about using your creativity to create something unique and practical. DIY projects also extend beyond the physical. Have you ever thought about making your own budgeting spreadsheet or meal planning template? These are tools that can help you manage your finances and time more effectively, ultimately saving you money. Of course, there's a learning curve with any new project, but that's part of the fun. You're learning a new skill, and that's an investment in itself. Plus, there's a wealth of resources available online to guide you through your DIY journey. The cost benefits of DIY projects are undeniable. But there's more to it than just saving money. When you make something yourself, you know exactly what's going into it. You have control over the quality and can tailor it to your specific needs. So why not give it a try? Start small with a project that excites you. Before you know it, you'll be hooked on the DIY lifestyle. DIY projects can be fun, rewarding, and cost-effective. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, learning something new, and reaping the rewards of your hard work. And who knows, you might just find a new hobby in the process. Next, we will discuss investing and saving. The cornerstone of financial security is having a solid saving and investment plan. It's not enough to just earn money. You also need to save and grow it. The concept is simple. Save a part of your earnings regularly and invest it wisely. Why is saving important? Well, it creates a safety net for you. It's your go-to resource in emergencies, unexpected expenses, or during life-changing events like job loss or retirement. It's also your ticket to achieving your dreams, be it buying a house, going on a dream vacation, or starting a business. But how do you save? Start small. Every little bit counts. You can begin by setting aside a small percentage of your income every month. It could be as low as 10% or as high as you can comfortably afford. The key is consistency. Make it a habit, and yes, automate it if you can. That way you're less likely to forget or skip your savings. Now let's talk about investing. Investing is like planting seeds today to harvest fruits in the future. It's making your money work for you. There are various investment options available, each with its risk and return. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even starting your own business are some of the avenues you can explore. Stocks and bonds are more volatile but can yield high returns. Mutual funds, on the other hand, are managed by professionals and can be a safer bet for beginners. Real estate is tangible, often appreciates over time, and can also provide a steady income stream if rented out. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about creating wealth over time. So, do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember, the best time to start saving and investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. So, why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. As we wrap up, let's recap the 20 frugal living tips we discussed. These aren't just tips, they're stepping stones to financial freedom and a life unburdened by unnecessary expenses. First, we talked about the importance of living below your means. This isn't about depriving yourself, but about making conscious and thoughtful decisions about how you spend your hard-earned money. Next, we delved into the world of budgeting. A well-planned budget is like a roadmap to financial success. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses, and it's a tool that can guide you towards your financial goals. Cutting down on expenses was our third point of discussion. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. By reducing unnecessary expenses, you can save more money for the things that truly matter. We also explored sustainable living. By making eco-friendly choices, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier planet. It's a win-win situation. Smart shopping was our fifth tip. By being a savvy shopper, you can save money without compromising on the quality of products you buy. DIY projects came up next. Why buy when you can create? Not only do these projects save you money, but they also give you a sense of accomplishment and can even become a fun hobby. Investing and saving were our final points of focus. The money you save today can grow into a substantial nest egg for the future. Investments, when done wisely, can provide you with a passive income stream and help secure your financial future. These tips are not about scrimping and saving every single penny, but about making smart and conscious decisions about how you spend your money. They're about creating a lifestyle that allows you to live comfortably within your means, while also preparing for your future. Frugal living doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. On the contrary, it's about making the most of what you have and finding joy in simplicity. It's about prioritizing your financial health and paving the way for a secure and stress-free future. Implement these frugal living tips and watch your savings grow. Before we end, a quick reminder. As we journey together through the road to financial freedom, every step we take is important. The 20 frugal living tips shared in this video are your stepping stones towards achieving your financial goals faster. These simple yet effective strategies, from living below your means to investing and saving, are your tools to navigate the world of personal finance with greater confidence and success. Remember, the power to change your financial future lies in your hands. And while you're at it, why not help others in their journey too? By liking and sharing this video, you're not only supporting us, but also spreading the gift of financial wisdom to others. Moreover, subscribing to our channel ensures you stay updated with the latest, most effective money-saving tips. We're in this journey together, and we'd love to continue providing you with valuable content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Stay frugal and see you in the next video.